Hello everyone, welcome back at TechET. Samsung's attention is currently focused on its Samsung Unpacked event, but rumors of the Galaxy S23 continue to surface even though that this device is unlikely to be released until early next year. Already the Ultra version of the Galaxy S23 is said to have an all-new 200 megapixel camera. Ice Universe predicts that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset. That's not a shocking claim, as we have already heard that the Galaxy S23 will rely entirely on Qualcomm's next generation chipset rather than shipping some models with Exynos silicon. But it's another Ice Universe claim that has us sitting up. The leaker also claims that the Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery, which is the same size as the Galaxy S22 Ultra and the Galaxy S21 Ultra before it. In some ways, it's understandable. A 5000 mAh cell is typically the largest battery found in a smartphone, with the exception of a few gaming phones. Larger batteries require more space, and Samsung is likely to keep the Galaxy S23 Ultra roughly the same size as its predecessor. Still, battery life may be an issue with the Galaxy S23 Ultra, especially since the Galaxy S22 Ultra struggled with the backup power. S22 lasts usually 8 hours and 50 minutes, about an hour less than the average smartphone. Only when we disable the S22 Ultra's adaptive refresh rate, the phone achieved a more respectable time of 10 hours and 18 minutes. So if we compare these results to those of the OnePlus 10 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro Max, both of which are considered best phone batteries with adaptive refresh rates enabled, that leaves the Galaxy S23 Ultra with some ground to make up when it launches next year, especially if other upcoming devices such as the iPhone 14 excel at battery life. If increasing battery capacity isn't an option and the Ice Universe leaks suggest it isn't, Samsung may turn to other methods to improve battery life for the S23 Ultra. The Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 could also contribute significantly by improving power management features. And that's all for now. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel for more updates.